look! A notification! Yay! I made it. Let's see what it is. What? No way! Mia is out with the squad without me! Best day ever. So much fun. She ghosted me today for them.
Looks like you're not the bestie anymore.
Get out, Tom. It's not funny. You lied to me. You said you were busy. I was, but I met them for just 10 minutes. Why did you lie? Didn't want to upset you.
Someone left this at the door.
Thank you, Daddy. Who sent this?
It doesn't say.
She said she was busy. She read it and didn't reply. That's so fake. No, I don't want to watch that. Why won't this work? Why the long face? Did the Wi-Fi die?
Here she comes. Act cool.
Hey, Anna, did you see my post? I thought you saw it. You looked busy. Wait, what's with the attitude? My attitude? I was busy. You always say that because it's true. You lied to me. I helped my mom, then I met them for 10 minutes. You had ice cream! If was nothing! Nothing?! I can't believe you! You started it! Don't talk to me. Fine, we're done. I shouldn't have lied. I made a mistake.
What's wrong, honey? You seem quiet.
Wait, she got these for me? She really got these for me. I bought your favorite cookies.
Look at this. Mia was defending you.
What? Oh no, I was so mean to her. Please pick up. Mia, please. Hello? I'm so sorry. I was a jerk. I'm really sorry. I just wanted to surprise you. You really are the best. Meet me at the park in 5 minutes. I missed you. Me too. Look what I made for you. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. Next time, I will ask you first. And I will trust you. Misunderstandings happen. But talking is the key.
Drama over?
Yes, finally!
Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because he felt crummy.
Love your friends. Stay honest. I'm really happy we fixed this. Me too.
That was some serious drama.
Don't remind me. Friends again? Always. I learned something today. We should always tell the truth and trust each other. Exactly. That's how we stay close.
Looks like everything is okay now.
Yes, Dad.
Why did the cookie go to the doctor?
Why?
Because it felt crummy.
That's so cringe. Best friends forever? Forever. Always communicate clearly. And never hide the truth. Misunderstandings happen. But talking solves everything. Say sorry when you're wrong. Friendship matters most.
No more drama, please!
Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more stories! See you next time!